Salmon families. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the song and activities from this week's Imagine Your Story Family Activity Kit. Each kit features 5 at-home activities that are aligned with the 5 early literacy practices: sing, talk, read, write, and play. Research shows that singing songs, having conversations, reading, exploring writing, and simply playing with young children helps them get ready to learn to read. We know that families with young children are always on the go, so we wanted to provide some simple, ready-made options for incorporating these practices at home. Let's check out what's in this week's kit. This week's kit is called Let's Pretend. It's all about the power of your imagination. Let's see what's inside. First off, we have our trusty activity sheet that has all the information you need for the 5 activities in this week's kit. Looks like we've got another piece of paper in here, and this one has a bunch of what looks like little gingerbread men with numbers on them. I think we might use these to play a game. What else do we have in here? Oh, we've got a brand new sharp black pencil. And oh wow, my own roll of glittery, sparkly tape. And finally, we've got a nice long piece of sparkly gold ribbon. Well, this stuff looks like fun. Our song this week is one you probably know. It's called I'm a Little Teapot. Now for this song, we've got a little dance to do with it, so you're going to need to get on your feet. You can sing along with me and follow along with the motions. Are we ready? Here we go. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Our talk activity this week is a fun little rhyming game. You're going to need the sheet of gingerbread men that we found in our kit, as well as a tray or a cookie sheet from around your house. Any size is fine. Have your child cut out the gingerbread men and decorate them any way they like. Here are mine lined up on the cookie sheet. Then we're going to play a little game and say a little rhyme. The rhyme goes like this. 5 little gingerbread men lying on the tray. One jumped up and ran away, shouting, catch me if you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Well, now how many gingerbread men do we have lying on the tray? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to do the rhyme again, but this time with 4 gingerbread men. 4 little gingerbread men lying on the tray. One jumped up and ran away, shouting, catch me if you can. You can't catch me, I'm a gingerbread man. And we'll keep on going like that until there's no more gingerbread men left on the tray. And that's our rhyming game for this week. For this week's read activity, you'll be reading a story about the power of imagination. We have lots of great books about the power of imagination here at the library, and you can find a list of those recommendations on your activity sheet. One of those books is called We're All Wonders by R.J. Palacio. We're All Wonders tells the story about a boy who feels a little bit different, but he uses his power of imagination to blast off into the stars whenever he's feeling sad. You can find this book and many others right here at Salmon Public Library. For this week's write activity, I'm going to show you how to transform an ordinary pencil into a magic wand. You will need the black pencil, the roll of glittery tape, and the length of curling ribbon included in your kit. You're also going to want to have a pair of scissors on hand, as well as some regular Scotch tape. Help your child to wrap the pencil in the glitter tape. You can do stripes, you can do little pieces of tape, or you can do a spiral wrap. I think I'm going to do a spiral. Once you've finished wrapping the pencil, cut off the extra tape. This is optional, but you may want to reinforce the glitter tape with a regular piece of Scotch tape if you really want the tape to last a long time. I'm just going to add a little piece of tape at the end of my glitter tape. Next, grab the ribbon and tie it around the end of the pencil near the eraser. Pull the knot nice and tight, then grab a pair of scissors and use the scissors to curl the ribbon. We do this by opening up the blade of the scissors, this is a grown-up's job, and holding the pencil with one hand while we drag the scissor blade along the length of the ribbon. If your child's never seen this before, it might be pretty interesting for them to watch. And they might even ask you, why does it do that? The reason for this is actually because when you drag the scissor blade along the ribbon, it stretches the side of the ribbon that's touching the blade while the other side doesn't stretch. So the part that stretches gets longer while the other part stays the same length. And that forces the ribbon to bend and curl and make these awesome shapes like we have. So now you have your magic wand pencil. It's time to write some magic stuff with it. Encourage your child to try writing letters, their name, or whatever they're working on right now with their new magic pencil. Just scribbling is okay too. We have the perfect play activity this week for using our imaginations, and it's playing dress up. Dress up play encourages children's natural curiosity and creativity, while also building social skills, as they literally put themselves in the shoes of another person. Costumes are great for playing dress up, but so are old clothes, uniforms, accessories, jewelry, luggage, sporting equipment, and whatever else you can find in the back of a closet. Oh yeah, don't forget their magic wand. Lay out a selection and let your child's imagination take the lead. Remember, by completing a family activity kit together, you and your child have the opportunity to earn a bonus ticket for the summer reading raffle. All you have to do is take a picture of your child's finished project and share it with us, either by posting on social media and tagging Salmon Public Library, or by emailing your photo to salmonlibrary1@gmail.com. You're also welcome to stop by the library and show us your finished project. Once you've shared your project, please make sure to stop by the library by this date in order to claim your bonus ticket. Thanks so much for joining us for this week's video. If you have any questions about the activities in the kit or about our Family Readers program, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Have a great week and happy reading!